Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of location not working on the application of Pokemon Go. You will click here on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you will search about Pokemon Go and you will click here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage and you will enter. Then here in this page of storage, we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.